Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make farmer sausage. Prepare a clean workspace and gather ingredients: pork shoulder, fat, salt, pepper, garlic, and natural casings. Keep everything cold and organized for efficiency and safety. Sanitize tools and surfaces to prevent contamination. Measure seasonings precisely and taste test a small patty before stuffing. Plan your cooking method in advance and allow sausages to rest before cooking for best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make farmer sausage. Start by cutting cold meat and fat into uniform cubes for even grinding and chill them between batches. Grind twice if you want a finer texture, or once for a rustic finish. Mix spices thoroughly and add small amounts of ice water to help the meat bind and stay juicy. Keep the mixture cold and test a small patty for seasoning before stuffing. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like this video to support more content. On another note, the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes in the kitchen without glare or smudges, and it fits nicely on a shelf while you cook. I'll leave a link and other deals in the description so you can check it out. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make farmer sausage. Load a clean sausage stuffer and push the seasoned meat into the soaked casing without stretching it. Form links by twisting at regular intervals and prick any visible air pockets with a sterile needle. Cook slowly over medium heat or poach, first then sear to preserve juiciness and reach a safe internal temperature. Rest links briefly before serving to keep juices locked in.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.